Greetings from the luxurious adventure of the future. This article examines the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. With its sleek body lines, streamlined hood, and Volvo's renowned Thor's hammer LED headlamps, its aerodynamic exterior defies conventional motorhome design guidelines and ensures a gorgeous, futuristic appearance. This RV's next-generation hybrid electric powertrain system is not only aesthetically beautiful but also combines an efficient combustion engine for long-distance travel with an electric drive system for quiet, environmentally friendly city driving. This solution combines power and sustainability with integrated solar panels on the roof and regenerative braking technology. It welcomes you with a cockpit that resembles a high-end SUV. A floating 15-inch touchscreen running the most recent version of the Android Automotive OS sits in the center of Volvo's iconic minimalist design. This screen acts as the command center for the car, managing entertainment, navigation, and RV information like battery life and water tank level. The best level of comfort for long-distance travel is ensured by the superb ergonomic leather upholstery of the driver's and front passenger seats, which also boasts heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. Volvo cars come equipped with a 360-degree camera system and LiDAR. The grandeur of Scandinavian style is exquisitely reflected in the main area. A serene and spacious ambience is produced by using high-quality wool blends, environmentally friendly materials like Nordico, and accents of light ash or birch wood. The comfortable, versatile sofa seating in the living area may be shifted to provide extra space while parked thanks to a slide-out mechanism. Plenty of natural light is brought in by the large panoramic windows and the full-height glass roof, while at night, adjustable LEDs provide a cozy ambient lighting. The bedroom is like a 5-star hotel suite on a mobile device. The room features an orthopedic mattress and a full-sized queen or king bed for comfortable resting. The light, natural wood finish theme of the surrounding decor stands out against the soft-touch wall panels. The expansive, full-height closets, hidden storage drawers, and panoramic windows with integrated blackout shades allow you to sleep under the stars or wake up to a view of the sunrise from the tranquility of your sanctuary. High-tech washroom is the name given to the little, opulent bathroom. It has a glass walk-in shower door, smooth tiling, and a rainfall shower head. The elegant vanity has a luxurious sink and calming LED lighting. Crucially, it incorporates eco-friendly water management and ventilation systems, providing a rejuvenating experience while maintaining Volvo's eco-friendly ethos and lending a sophisticated and meaningful sense to every aspect of road life. Finally, let's peek into the kitchen. With energy-efficient modern amenities like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a handy sink, this kitchen was undoubtedly developed with traveling cooks in mind. Thanks to clever countertops and hidden storage, you'll always have everything you need to prepare delicious meals wherever you go. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a future home on wheels that combines style, sustainability, and technology to provide an unparalleled holiday experience. Are you ready for your next adventure?